Ta-da! If you watched my last video, you'll know that I was planning on doing a paint job on the TJ, and here it is. Atomic Punk. If you're a Van Halen fan, this will make sense to you. If not, you'll just think I was drunk. But so we've got the Atomic Punk theme going on. If you remember, my TJ was this color, this red color, and I masked that up, sprayed some black, waited for that to dry enough to the point where I could mask that, got those masked, and then sprayed the rest of it white. So that's how that whole paint job went down. Got a couple little got a little Jeep Easter egg there, and then I had some decals that I had already put on that I didn't want to lose, so I just masked those off and sprayed them. But I think it came out pretty cool. I'm digging it. I'll probably still wind up doing the front, the grill, and I'll probably do something with the front bumper because it just doesn't really match. So that's what I'm planning on as far as that goes. So here are the doors, and I think the doors came out really nice. These are CJ7 doors and a CJ7 top. So what I wound up doing was I trimmed a little bit off the top. Luckily it does not. I know it looks like shit, but it is what it is. So the front, just to get it to sit down just a little bit, I trimmed about 1/4 inch, and so it sits down pretty good on there. Doors lined up pretty good. The driver's door I had a little bit of issue with, but me and Sam were able to get that all squared away with messing with one of the hinges. And I got a pretty good gap, but duct tape, baby. Yep, duct tape. Duct tape fixes everything. I used a big zip tie up here to hold the front of the top down, and I've just got some little C-clamps holding the back down. So she's nice and sturdy and looking good. Fairly quiet for what it is. I get no rain, no water on the inside, which is great. So happy about that. Next little thing I've got to do is I do have a leak on the back here, where this meets. So I got the duct tape up there. That keeps the water out for now. Got those. I love those things. And then who doesn't love Baby Yoda? There are my new tail lights, brake lights. Got those all wired up. I like these because they're flush mount, and I didn't have to put a great big gigantic hole in the back. And did that with the license plate. I think it looks pretty good. Got the little LED lights on there for the plate holders. So I think that looks pretty cool. It's coming along pretty well. There's my CB antenna mount, which mounted to the back of the stock tail lights, but I went ahead and moved it over here. I was going to trim it down a little bit, but I decided not to. Just painted it up, Eddie Van Halen, drilled some holes, and stuck my coax through there and painted the antenna to match the Jeep. So really, other than that, and I did get my mirrors mounted. They work about as well as you figure they would. They're not the greatest. They're not very big, but makes me legal, and at least I can see out of the driver's side. This one over here is just kind of pointless. It never is aimed the right way. But there you go. Duct tape seals. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do on the top where I got some overspray and shit, but it's fine. It's all good. Atomic Punk. She lives, and we got more updates to come, but I figured to do this real quick little video and show you everything that I've been working on. So Got any comments? Comment down below. If you like this kind of, this is some DIY stuff. I'm not really showing you how to do it, because if you don't know how to spray paint, you can go back and look at some of my old videos. I've spray painted quite a bit, but you can go back and look and see some of those. But I'm just showing you kind of what I've been working on with the Atomic Punk and how she's coming along. So you guys have a great weekend. See you later.